back to Uncle Sasquatch Outdoors. Thank you for watching. I've got the barrel polished up like I want it, and I put the rear side on. I might mention in that too, there's a little casting gate on the bottom of that sight. You want to put it in your vise and take a file and file that off smooth. And it's going to be a little bit tight, but just make sure it starts. You might have to file just a little bit, just hit it to knock the edges off and tap that on in. So I'm working on the stock now. I have started with 220 grit sandpaper, and a couple of things I want to mention is keep your butt plate on while you're doing this. I had to take a file and remove some of the metal on that butt plate to get it down to the wood, and then on the other side I had to take the file and take the wood down to the metal. So you want to leave that on. I see a lot of people in the groups that I follow on Facebook want to polish their parts up first before they ever start assembling the gun, and what you're going to wind up doing is working twice. So a couple of areas you want to watch. Right here on this flat part of this buttstock, there will be what I call chatter marks, where that tool comes through and cuts it. It'll be just like little ridges up and down. So you want to file those and sand those smooth. And also on your upside of your barrel, right up through here, there'll be the same thing. There'll be little ridges in that wood that you want to make sure you get those out real good. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking sandpaper, and it just, you know, it takes a little while, and you have to feel and look. And like right there's a little place I see it's a little bit high, and you just have to sand and feel. It's always good to take like this paper shop towel and kind of wipe that wood clear of the sawdust so you can feel it real good. So that's just a couple of tips in the process of me building this gun. I appreciate you. Keep your powder dry. Mind you, topping up, Pilgrim.